Good morning, everyone. Today we will delve into the world of breadboards. Mr. Anderson stands in front of a whiteboard with a white marker where a breadboard and components are displayed. Mr. Anderson: Good morning, everyone. The term breadboard means roti kathal, bread plate. Student 1 raises hand. Mr. Anderson: How do we use it? Student 1: We need to insert the leads or pins of simple components into tie points to create temporary electrical connections. And the best part is that it can be done without soldering. Student 2 raises hand. Mr. Anderson: But can't we solder everything? Student 2: Soldering is good for making permanent connections. But when we are experimenting or prototyping circuits, breadboards are very beneficial. Output. Scene script. 1. Flexibility. You can easily modify your circuit, rearrange or replace components without damaging them, saving time and resources. 1. Reusability. All components can be reused in multiple projects because there is no soldering involved, making it cost-effective. 1. No need for specialized tools. Soldering requires specialized tools, but a breadboard can be used with just your hands and jumper wires, making it accessible for beginners. 1. Rapid prototyping. Breadboards provide flexibility to test different circuit configurations before moving on to permanent solutions like PCBs, printed circuit boards. Students smile in understanding. Student 3: So, can we easily conduct experiments using a breadboard? Mr. Anderson nods appreciatively. Mr. Anderson: Absolutely. It allows us to explore different circuit configurations freely, keeping safety and resource conservation in mind. Student 4 raises hand. Student 4, intrigued: Are there any limitations when using a breadboard? Mr. Anderson responds to Student 4's curiosity with a smile. Mr. Anderson: Great question. Here are some limitations. Limited voltage handling capacity. Breadboards are generally used for low voltage applications due to higher resistance in their internal contacts. Signal integrity issues at high frequencies. Stray capacitance between adjacent rows can cause loss or distortion at high frequencies. Limited space availability for large projects. Complex circuits with many components may require larger boards than standard-sized ones. Mr. Anderson takes back an assembled circuit from the breadboard. Mr. Anderson: But do not be discouraged by these limitations. Once your prototype successfully passes the breadboard test, you can move forward to stronger solutions like PCB printing according to your needs.